Hello student, in this video we are going to discuss Make in India topic. In Make in India topic we have to read meaning of Make in India, stock sectors that controlled by Make in India, service sectors that controlled by Make in India, advantages of Make in India and challenges of Make in India. So first we will discuss meaning. Make in India is a very important national program of the government of India. Make in India means producing high quality goods in the country using domestic investment, domestic innovations, domestic research development, domestic protections of cycle assets and skills. Now stock sectors that controlled by Make in India: space and defense, automobile, automotive devices, medicine field, medical goods, biotechnology, capital goods, clothes, chemicals, electronic designs, leather and footwear, food, gems and ornaments, ship, railways, buildings, renewable fuels. So service sectors that controlled by Make in India: information technology, transport and connectivity, visual media, legal service, contract service, financial service, educational services. Advantages of Make in India: convenience, job creation, increase in gross national product, economic development, profit, development of rural areas. Challenges that faced by Make in India: difficulty of farming, lack of skill, lack of infrastructure, government interventions. So this is the main topic Make in India. It will be asked in the semester exam. Thank you.